What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening the Mystery Mail Call Comic Tom 101 mystery box. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be opening the Atomic Com. Oh my god, I messed that up. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be opening the Comic Tom Mystery Mail Call mystery box. It's going to have, I think, 3 to 6 comics in it, but that's not the important part. The important part is there's a possible regular cover and variant of ice cream number 24, I believe. This is my first mystery mail call box, so hopefully there's gonna be pretty cool stuff in there. Without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this and let's see which variant we got. Here is the first one. Now I apologize if I don't know any of these. I'm mainly looking for the Ice Cream Man number 24, I believe. So in 3, 2, 1, bam. What is that? What is it? Action Tank first issue. Okay. I'm not really sure what's going on there. It kind of looks like the Jetsons, and I think he mentioned that in one of his like Instagram live streams. So there's like a Jetsons inspired comic. I'm not really sure. I'll actually give that a look through and read it and see what it's all about. I don't know. In 3, 2, 1, bam. So this is the Betty Page. This is the Virgin variant, so that might mean I'm not going to get the Virgin variant of Ice Cream Man. That's the one I actually wanted, but there is Betty Page, right? I don't know. Betty Page. In 3, 2, 1, bam. What is that? Okay, alright, so that's a print, one of the prints. That is actually pretty cool. That is Loki. Oh my god, that looks pretty cool. Crazy, because I have no room for posters or anything like that in this room. It's all consumed by Funko Pops, but that is pretty cool. I really like that. I don't know if that's supposed to be like a mystery item or what, but that's pretty cool. In 3, 2, 1, bam. What is that? It is a Robin number 3 of 5. Pretty cool. I mean, not a huge DC fan. I mean, I can appreciate it, but not a huge DC fan. But that's pretty cool. Three, 2, 1. Dude, that's sick. Look at that. Holy crap, dude. I like these prints. Too bad I don't have a place to actually put them besides in like a binder or something. Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy. I like that. I have to get some kind of like frame or something to frame it and put it somewhere. I don't know where to put it. Maybe I need to start putting stuff on the ceiling. I don't know. I have 2 comics left. I'm hoping this one is the Ice Cream Man. That's the whole reason for me getting this mystery box. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, bam. Yeah, it is not the Virgin variant. Yeah, so I think this is number 24? Let's see. Yeah, issue number 24 right there. You can see it right there. Ice Cream Man. I'm not exactly sure who did the cover of this, but pretty solid, I do say. I gotta say it's pretty solid. There he is right there. Look at those teeth, man. Kind of reminds me of Venom. But yeah. Oh, those kids are in for a treat. That's crazy. Yeah. So we'll look at this in a second. We have 1 comic left. Let me set that right there. We have 1 comic left. So I guess you can potentially get grails in this box, but I really just want the Ice Cream Man. That's all I want. But in 3, 2, 1, bam. Alright, we got a Wolverine comic. Pretty cool. Marvel presents Wolverine. What number is this? I don't even know the number count. I don't know what the number is, but there he is right there, Wolverine. Pretty cool. Don't have a whole lot of Wolverines in the collection, but pretty cool to have this one. There is the exclusive Mill Geek Comics exclusive. There's the exclusive cover. That's who did the cover of Ice Cream Man number 24. I actually already have number 24 and also have 25. I just picked that one up yesterday. New comic book day, or today's Wednesday, but I picked it up yesterday. But yeah, I believe this one, let's see, I don't think I've read this one yet. So I do have the cover A, and this one is a variant. In the back right there you can see it says 24, 4, and 1. It's issue number 24, cover D, and first printing, so that's pretty cool. I think that's how you read that. Give you an example of some of the imagery that you would find in an Ice Cream Man book. It's pretty cool. Really like the series. It's just all around good. I think they have trades, so you can pick up a trade paperback book. So yeah, there we have it. Ice Cream Man number 24, the variant cover. Wished it was the Virgin variant, but I guess you can't win them all. Let's look at some of the extras that came inside of that. Besides the prints I've already showed you, we have, I know he was talking about it on his Instagram live stream, but there is his cat. That kind of looks like my cat, Cootie Pie. But yeah, I think he's doing something like this in every single mystery mail call coming forward. But there he is right there, his cat. Pretty cool. And something about a digital comic book, you can download, you can scan a barcode and download this digital comic book, and you can have like a 60-page comic for free, I guess, or it retails for like $6-7. So the next thing is a Batgirl, right? Batgirl. That's Batgirl, right? We have a Batgirl print, but on the back of it shows you what you can get in this box. And I really wanted that one right there in the middle. That one right there. That was cool. But I ended up getting one of the Betty Page Virgin covers. And there is... Okay, so I got the other comic, digital comic thing. And then I think he's doing something for like kids. So if you have kids, you can get this action comic, I guess. He's doing like one per box each time. And then big keys, big grails, what you want to call it. That's it right there. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.